Good morning, guys. So we fixed our dreads. I love them. They're like super wavy. We kind of fixed them a little bit, added some more to them because I thought they were a little flat, but that is not the reason why I thought I would get on here. My reason for wanting to get on here is because my pop-on Veneers finally got here. I'm super excited for these. I've been waiting a couple of weeks for them. So what you get is the little manual care sheet that comes with it. You get your retainer cleaners. You get 6 tablets for your cleaning. You also get a toothbrush to help with your cleaning. You get your molds of your teeth, which mine pretty self-explanatory. You got the bottom teeth and you got your top teeth, which I have a missing tooth right there from a burrito that I ate at Taco Bell when I was pregnant. So that is what those are. They come in a little baggie, and then you get your pop-on veneer case right here, and it also has a mirror, and these are your teeth. There is the bottom, there's the top, and you literally just
Mommy,
snap them on, and there you go. I got the Hollywood white. Now, if you want more natural teeth, definitely go for the, let's see, I think it is natural white or mature tan. You got 3 different colors you can do, but no missing teeth. They go all the way up to my gums, all the way down to my gums. Yeah, so I'm super excited. They're definitely gonna take some getting used to because they're very white. If you don't want them as noticeable as white, definitely get your mature tan. It does take a little while to get used to them being in your mouth. You'll probably have a little bit of a lisp. I do. It's gonna take a little bit, but you just have to pull them off and pop them off, and then you just pop them back in and clip them, and there you go. So we have our pop-on veneers. I'm so excited.